Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to get fast delivery on Temu. So first of all, launch Temu app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now on Temu, one thing you have to note down is that any item above $129 will be shipped through Express, which means that those specific items will be shipped through fastest delivery process. Now another step you could do in order to get fast delivery on Temu is that at the bottom you'll see the option of 2-day delivery. Tap on it. Now from here you'll see various items which have express shipping. Now from here you can tap on any of the items. And then over here you can see shipping details given here. You can also see the fastest delivery can be done in 1 business day. So once you have chosen an item, you can simply tap that item, add to cart or buy now. So if you tap on the option of buy now, from here all you have to do is choose a payment method, and then at the bottom you can see your total amount. You can see delivery guarantee and details given below here. So follow these easy steps in order to get fast or express delivery on Temu. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.